Black Friday special. One day only. 50% off. 24 hours of insane savings. Ready to skyrocket your online business? Introducing our exclusive Team Builder Black Friday deal. For one day only, we're slashing our price in half to help you kickstart your journey to financial freedom. What's the deal? 50% off our top-tier Team Builder package. One day only, Friday, November 29th, 2024. We do 90% of the work. Our expert team handles the heavy lifting, from setting up your business to driving traffic and conversions. You do 10%, simply follow our easy, step-by-step guidance, and watch your earnings grow. What's included? Personalized business blueprint, tailored to your goals and niche. Premium website setup, a professional, conversion-optimized website. SEO and traffic generation, advanced strategies to drive targeted traffic. Affiliate marketing training, comprehensive guides and resources. Dedicated mentorship, one-on-one support from industry experts. Exclusive community access, join our thriving community of successful affiliate marketers. Why choose US? Proven results, we've helped countless individuals achieve financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Expert team, our team of professionals has decades of combined experience in online marketing. Done for you, we handle the technical stuff so you can focus on growing your business. Don't miss out. This offer is incredibly limited, just 24 hours of massive savings. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Take the first step towards your dream lifestyle and secure your future with our Team Builder package. Use the code BLACKFRIDAY50 to message me for discount.